This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Corey Moore. Looking for a low-maintenance home in a desirable area? Look no further than this home, which is located within the Chautauqua Lake School District. This home features newer siding, newer roof, a large private yard and a wonderful 24 by 14, approximately, enclosed porch. The covered porch is perfect for your morning coffee and entertaining guests. The porch is fully screened in and has removable canvas coverings for year-round use. This property features a detached 2-car garage and a 20 by 30, approximately, outbuilding, both with working electric. Inside you will enjoy the well-laid-out and updated 3-bedroom 1.5-bath home. The galley kitchen is conveniently open to the dining area and living room. The main bedroom has a spacious half-bath attached. The full basement is a bonus in this residence. The high and dry basement is not included in the square footage but does have several points of egress. This extra space can easily be finished for extra living space. Note: this listing includes both parcel numbers 264.00221 and 264.00222. For more information,